Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. How's your weekend, guys? How's your Friday? I was not still on Friday, right? And I believe on Thursday. So, how's your end of the week? How's your beginning of the week so far, guys? Hope no one blew accounts. Hope to see a good performance. Overall, how's your weekend, guys? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Just from the road, okay. Good weekend. That's absolutely amazing. It's 4 p.m. In your country. That's honestly, that's so amazing to have this time. I mean, to trade at this time. So it's morning right here, but it's so nice to be like to do your business, to do your errands before 4, and you can trade at this time. So I believe 4:30 is our 9:30, right? So it's like 7 hours difference. Where you live? You live in Russia? Because in Belarus, it's also 4:24 right now. That's amazing. My dream, honestly, to live in country where it's already like 4 p.m. Turkey. Okay, same time. Okay. That's amazing. That's amazing. So about bias. Overall, if I want to go on daily chart, I'm going to hide my drawings right now. Clearly time distortion, right? Hello from Poland. That's amazing. I'm from Belarus. I guess you know where is Belarus, right? It's next to your country. So it's clearly time distortion right now on daily, which probably second stage of the accumulation of market maker buy model, where all-time high is final target. Which indicate, I will show you in a moment. I will share the link right now. So right now we have time distortion, right? Which is second stage of the accumulation with obvious target at all-time high. So overall, I'm bullish on high time frame. But when we have time distortion on high time frame, consolidation on high time frame, normally we have high resistance liquidity or like seek and destroy on low time frames. That's always hard to trade this, but it's reality of time distortion on high time frame. And right now, ideally what I want to see overall, like we're breaking below distortion low and go higher with formation of 4-hour or daily inversion fair value gap, which is a bit tricky right now because looking right now on ES, it's already offered break below distortion with inversion fair value gap formation, while NQ failed to do anything in my humble opinion. So which makes me feel like it still can go lower before moving higher. So in my perfect world, what I would like to see doesn't mean that it will happen, but what I would like to see on NQ, not really sure about ES, but something like this. That's what I would like to see. So basically watching break below distortion low and a reaction. That's what makes sense to me. But can we get it? I don't know, like, hard to say. Still time distortion, and in my opinion, yes, already did what I want to see on NQ, because we already have inversion with minor SMT right here. Yes, power of 3, exactly. So basically, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Yeah, something like this. So yeah. Right now on forward chart, it's still once again consolidation, but we do have liquidity sweep, right? Right here and right here, which makes me feel like if I want to just consider this range so far, not perfect square, but you got it. So I would like to see potential attempt to go slightly higher to this week right here. So rejection block, right? which is 400 level, just for today. Same on ES. So basically, I would like to see the test of rejection block on forward chart right here and right here today. And we do have news at 10 and 1 p.m. today. So basically, we have red folder news for AM session and PM session. So let's see how it goes. Once again, still hard to predict something. But the test of rejection block right here doesn't sound bad, right? Good morning. Hello, hello. On 1 hour chart. So where is our weekly open, monthly open? Bit below weekly open so far. We have new week opening gap right here. So if it wants to retrace to new week opening gap, 400 level also looks nice, which is also for rejection block. So the test of this area right here, preferably to see. Honestly, I have no idea what kind of bias today is going to be, because once again, high time frame consolidation. But slightly higher than the trace on back to the range will be nice to see, right? So maybe like this. Guys, what is your bias for today? I see 48%. It's so hard to look right now in the chat because we got... give me 1 second. Because looks like 49% bullish, 27% bearish, and 24 have no idea what kind of bias we are going to have today. I would say I also have no idea what kind of bias we are going to have today, because once again, when we have high time frame consolidation, kind of hard to say what kind of profile we can get at this point for the day. 11:30. Oh yeah, I got it. So guys, what is your bias for today? Yes, I just talk about this. Run below distortion low and then reversal. So breaking below distortion low, inversion, then move higher to all-time high. So right now I'm just watching 400 level retest, which is rejection block on forward chart. Yeah, here we go. And also we got new week opening gap. So if it may like bounce 100 points, that's what I would like to see. How is it possible to blow accounts on Monday? Nothing significant happened yet. What did you trade? Let me bring my drawings back. So once again, would like to see 400 level, a retest of 400 level. Asia high, that's nice to see, but slightly higher still preferably. 9:30. I would say it makes sense to wait for 10 because we are going to have red holder news at 10. So yeah. First presented fair value gap. By the way, on Friday, I traded first presented fair value gap. It was a nice trade. What is this? You want to tell me that's going to be first presented fair value gap? I think a bit crazy fair value gap. Like a little bit, just a little bit. Only 50 points range. Classic 1 minute fair value gap, of course. So once again, I would like to see 400 level retest. So we need to pump another 50 points, maybe even more than 50 points. Like I would say between 50 points and maybe 100 points higher. So just for now, looking for the rejection block right here. Mentioned before. So I'm going to highlight with gray color. So here, this ejection block. Oops. Run tool. Like this, okay. So looks like NQ entered 4-hour rejection block, but ES still below this level. NQ moving in AM session, yeah, like no way, this finally happened. But remember what happened on Friday? We got, like, seemed like we got good move right at market open, but what happened right after this? Nothing. Okay, just slightly higher to enter a rejection block, and I will start looking for potential reaction down. So, what happened? They decided to finish their business like at 9:30 a.m. So my 400 level taken. Right now, just going to observe how ES can react right now from rejection block. Still below this level. Oh my god, that's crazy. You want to see the reversal from 433. That's fine. I would say that's fine. From buy side. I mean, I'm totally fine with this move up. This is what I want to see. Just did not expect probably to see that immediately, right? At 9:30 a.m. Which kind of crazy, but still, look at these 1-minute candles. Lots of fair value gaps. It's going to be crazy if it's going to just drop and invalidate every single fair value gap. But it's okay, I guess. So what we can see so far, ES and NQ inside for our rejection block. So you said short from 450. I would say if you want to see higher than buy side right here, makes sense to wait for 469 because it's for our order block. Maybe not 450, maybe 470. But once again, don't want to blindly press sell button. I'm going to wait for at least some confirmations first. Like no reason to be first seller, I guess so. Yes, that's what I mean. I mean right now. Like no reason to be first seller with this huge move up right at 9:30 a.m. on Monday. So let's see. So both inside once again for rejection block. Cannot see like any reaction yet, especially on NQ. Maybe it wants to take for order block, which is right above buy side. And seem like a bit below 50% of rejection block. We have same for our order block. I mean, that's a nice move up, so not going to argue about this. Yes, we have for our bearish fair value gap slightly higher. Oh, you passed your funded next account. It's slowly going to pay out. That's amazing. Congratulations. How is your experience so far? I'm also trading with funded next today. Mm-hmm. It's like, it should be okay, at least on my side. I can actually check internet speed, but I guess that's fine. Speed test. But I guess that's fine. Yeah, my internet is fast. I guess it's on your side. So my internet is fast. That's strange. No issue with my internet. Like, I guess so. Guys, can you hear me? Can you see me? Like, everything's fine? Must be neighbors have Wi-Fi. Yeah, I guess it's not on my side. Okay, guys. Still going higher. As you can see, we got minor retracement to 2-minute fair value gap. Yes, just at the bottom for rejection block. Kind of. Just would like to see higher. And what I would like to see, maybe for OB, maybe something like this. And then 5-minute smart money reversal. And if we get smart money reversal, try to short something. Only like concern right now, it was just straight move up. How to get smart money reversal at this point? You know, like kind of hard to talk about this just for now. Yeah, ICT said we can consider 9:30 AM candle as first present fair value gap. You cannot. Okay. Probably I pressed something, but I cannot fix this. So my fault, I guess so. So slowly going to for our OB. Where is my mouse? It's right here. Okay. And on the same picture. Just once again, hard to right now trust 5-minute chart. I mean, why it's hard? Because hard to look for smart money reversal. Yeah, this reversal will be amazing to see. Just question is what confirmation I would like to use for this first. So right now, just keeping my eyes on for order block. On both yes and Q. This may offer solid SMT. I mean, like SMT, high time frame level, and then we can start looking for any reaction. Can you show? Yeah, of course. So basically, I did not use this week because it was crazy week. I used bodies. So use this for order block. And use this order block right here. So I already tested for our order block before on ES. Never retraced to for our order block on NQ. Hard to use this body because this week broke below this low. It was kind of tricky for our OB, agree with me, but I decided to consider these three, to be more specific, 3 up close candles as OB. Yeah, it should be, but you know, sometimes it's tricky when we have a week like this that actually broke below the swing low, right? Yeah, I agree with you, but about sequence, absolutely right about this. But the question is, since it broke below swing low right here, what kind of order block should I use? Like sequence of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, where since this candle broke swing low, I need to use 3 candles. So I decided to use 3 candles at this point. Just kind of made sense to me since we got sweep. It's my opinion about this, so maybe I'm wrong about order block right here, but this just makes sense to me. But you're right about sequence, absolutely right about this. Let me. So pretty much balanced leg right here, no fair value gaps, but we do have fair value gap right here. As you can see, still below for our OB. That's my concern, honestly. So if I want to have SMT, what else do I need to have? Yes, we entered for our fair value gap. So we got some PD rays already on high time frame. But the question, is what lower time frame you would like to use for reversal? I guess you don't want to blindly sell simply because we got for our fair value gap. I mean, that's okay, just maybe not enough, right? Yet. Going to highlight this. Oops, let me change to red color. Solid reaction. Yes, I like this. Going to highlight 50% to see how we expected. Like still below 50%. That's fine. So first target obviously will be first presented fair value gap because we got this fair value gap as breakaway gap so far, and we already entered high time frame level. So once we can get reversal, I will aim for first presented fair value gap and then New York midnight open. New York midnight open and first presented fair value gap. But first would like to get any signs of reversal on NQ. I like that we got order block on ES. That's pretty much it. That's all we have. A bit concerned. Yes, we have SMT. Yes, exactly. Going to remove this just for now. You know, my recommendation, when you see, let's say, like textbook short, for example, on ES, can you confirm the short on NQ as well? Because when you cannot confirm this, it's always tricky because I'm not saying like we cannot confirm this right now. We have inversion, we have SMT, we have for value gap. But when you cannot confirm this, for example, on NQ, that's always probably 50-50 setup, not high probability. That's what I mean. Okay. We got retracement to 2-minute order block, OT, fair value gap, breaker block. On a yes, that looks absolutely brilliant. Yes, we do have news at 10. We have news at 9:45. Yes, it's going to be low impact news. I guess it's not going to be like huge volatility at this point. So the test of 1-minute inversion so far. Just a bit annoying that we don't have any signs of right now on NQ to short this, but I do like how NQ ES looks like for short. 1-minute inversion. Trying to respect OT, trying to respect fair value gap, breaker block, 2-minute order block. That's pretty much it. Minor sweep. Possible 1-minute order block over here. If it's going to hold this, I mean, create order block and hold this, should be something like this at this point. So we got order block. Let's see if we get minor retracement to drop. Something like this, I guess so. Just not sure about this yet. Let's see how we can displace if we get retracement. Okay, only problem right now, yes, says at first presented fair value gap. Okay, trying to be patient anyway. What time frame? That's 1 minute chart just for now. Yeah, on gold, I mentioned this morning, like I would like to see a 400 level right here. So on gold, would like to see 3400. So that's my key level on gold. So ICT in his recent video about first presented fair value gap said we can use 920 candle as first presented fair value gap, as I remember. Am I right, guys? No? It was maybe like 1 or 2 weeks ago he posted new video about this. Ah, okay. Thank you, guys. Then my bad. I'm going to rename this fair value gap as first presented. My bad then, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, I got it. Thank you, guys. If ICT is going to visit us today, we will ask him. News in 10 minutes. We'll ask him if he's going to come today. Oh, hello. I didn't see you. Oh, no. If we have news, you right now in trade, just trail your stop loss. Absolutely zero reason to close this trade. I'm fine, yeah. Okay, as always, forget about the retracements. Forget about the retracements in 2025. Like, it can order block. Okay, it's better to have like aggressive entry with bigger stop loss, but forget about the retracements. What is this? I don't know. A retracement? What are you talking about? You're asking for too much. Of course. Retracement to order block. Come on, Dasha. Be more realistic. Well. Ridiculous. Well, not really annoying, just like a bit crazy, I would say. A bit crazy, I would say. It's okay. I just asked for too much. Retracement to order block? Of course. Retracement. Well, it's okay. Going to look for another opportunity right now. Why it wasn't tradable? It's still June contract. So what's wrong with this? It's fine, I guess. I know, like, seems good. In QM, June contract. Why it wasn't tradable? Right now on my Ninja trade, I have also June contract. Seems good. At least on my side. Yeah, would like to see 3400 on gold. Not sure if we reached this level already. We do. We did just reach this level, yeah. Then it's fine. So news in 5 minutes. Well, okay. Straight move up, straight move down. So at least anticipate to get some sort of reaction from discount back to premium. 1 hour can, yeah, it doesn't look nice on high time frame, but overall, like for scalps from premium to discount, I would say nothing wrong with this. So we have SMT right now at this lows. New York Midnight Open tested on a yes. We're still below New York Midnight Open on NQ. London low, let me check for you. So I did use 328. Yeah, this one. So weekly open, monthly open, daily open. So far we just at monthly open level. So it's going to be the same level. You bullish until we took high. Yeah, I mean rejection block. So just want to see slightly higher to our OB, but since we have SMT, we have our fair value gap. So yeah, it didn't make sense to me to use inversion initially, but once we got OB, it was good short opportunity. In my opinion. So nothing on 5-minute chart yet. We did chase a 3-minute fair value gap so far. And 2-minute fair value gap. Same on ES, we retraced the fair value gaps. New York Midnight Open created equal lows. Friday low, like 200 points, more than 200 points lower. News in 2 minutes. We got another 2-minute order block. How we can respect this level? Below, because as long as we're below 50% of this OB, there's chance to see continuation lower to New York midnight open. I believe so. So what time is this? I need to leave today at 10:30, so 10:40 maybe. With TradeAway. So I'm going to trade TradeAway today, so seems like it's fine. What kind of problem do you have with TradeAway so far? So one more retest of New York midnight open. Cannot break this level just yet. So this equal loss obviously seems good, especially at New York midnight open level. Going to cut with red color. So important levels right here. So news in 15 seconds. It's going to be red folder news. It's either going to be straight move up or even straight move down to New York midnight open and London low. So let's see. Equal lows taken, New York midnight open taken. News came out. A bit volatile right now. Still staying below 50% of this order block, which preferable to take New York midnight open at this point. Yeah, Friday low is going to be last target where this move down. Close to New York midnight open should retest this level. So that's first key level. Then I don't want to aim for London low, like New York midnight open and Friday low. It's key levels for today. I don't have, like targets lower than Friday low for today. The 2-minute chart, okay. So close to London low on ES. Doesn't make sense to reverse right now at all. Maybe retracement, but still obvious targets. I'm sorry, guys. For today's New York midnight open. That's crazy, honestly, ridiculous. 30-minute chart right now. A bit crazy hourly week. It's 10 a.m. Maybe what I would like to see right now, like this. If it's going to break above 50% of order block. 2-minute model somewhere right here. I hope so. Let's see first stage, perfect first stage. Something like this. What do you think about this? So idea is if it's going to, I'm not sure if it's going to, but if it's going to offer this 2-minute order block, That's what I'm looking for right now. Maybe not that much, maybe a bit less than this. Come on, give us a bit higher to short this. Just a bit higher. Like another opportunity somewhere from here. First, ideal for me. Like minor retracement higher. 2-minute order block, short this. My concern in Q failed to take New York midnight open. That's why I would like to see still lower. Just would like to see a bit higher than 10 a.m. open. Just if I want to short, I would like to short above hourly open. As you can see, we got flat candles so far. We did not trade above 10 a.m. open just yet. Maybe I'm asking too much, but preferable to short above. If you may get this, of course. Guys, what is your plan? You would like to long? Okay. Well, I don't want to see New York midnight open or London low and Friday low only yes. What's the reason behind this? You want to long. My only concern New York midnight open, that's why I would like to see it trading above 10 a.m. open. A bit higher than 10 a.m. open to short to New York midnight open. So that's the plan. Can we play this plan, please? So once again, I will try short trade if it will go into retrace above 10 a.m. open and offers 2-minute OB. 2-minute OB somewhere right here. I will try this trade then. Just need to wait for trade above 10 a.m. open. That's my plan right now. Would like to trade this plan. First of all we need is just to trade above 10 a.m. And if I'm going to enter this trade, I will aim for New York midnight open and I will close there. So I'm not sure about London low. 2-minute order block should be my entry. That's what I'm waiting for. So I will short on the 2-minute OB if it's going to fail. That's fine. Just no entry for me at this point. 2-minute order block should be my entry. I hope so, just please. At this time, no, I would like what I'm waiting for just for now. What I would like to see. Well. Right now we're above 10 a.m. open. That's great to see. We did trace to all 2-minute order block. 97. 97. Yeah, this works for me. So basically, we're going to this breaker block. So I agree with you at this point. 371. Acceptable. So I will look for the entry near new week opening gap. Acceptable. Absolutely acceptable. I will enter 2-minute OB. So I don't really care where in premium is going to be. But let's see. It's OT. Okay. So far, just holding this all 2-minute order block. What I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for the test of new week opening gap right here, and I will enter short a 2-minute order block and only 2-minute order blocks. That's it. That's what I'm waiting for, just for now. Swing high, also acceptable. So let's see. You're anti 7. It's okay. Let's see. You got my plan, so I'm going to trade this plan. Last target. If I'm going to be in the short, I'm not going to aim for this last target. I will close at New York midnight open, but Friday low. It's New York midnight open, so if I'm going to see my setup that I mentioned before, I'm going to close there. So because I noticed about 2-minute model that I mentioned last week on my new video, 9 a.m. normally pretty often offers 2-minute model, and 10 a.m. continuation. This is when we don't see any setup at 10 a.m. This means 9 a.m. offered something, but as you can see, 9 a.m. did not offer anything because it was straight move up, straight move down, nothing, right? This makes me feel like 10 a.m. should offer this. So basically, we're trading above 10 a.m. open, ideally, preferably. And if it's going to offer 2-minute OB, especially if I have that targets lower, makes sense to me to look for short from 2-minute order block and aim for New York midnight open. London low, like yes, but I don't really mind to see Friday low at this point. Who knows what will happen? So I need to leave in 20 minutes. I hope to get something before this time. Praying for this. My dear friend. We're in cancellation, unfortunately. So we got straight move up then straight move down, and right now we're consolidating. The question is if it's going to be expansion, consolidation, expansion, which is ideal for us, or it's going to be seek and destroy, which is ugly for us. Come on, NQ, just slightly higher. Just do something finally. Not even fun anymore. Yeah, building low resistance, exactly. And we have a couple of failure swings to downside, to anticipate move downside. Just please. Please. Just slightly higher. Leave this consolidation. Maybe SMT at highs, at the swing high right here. Just please. Yes, I do use SMT. You got my point, so 2-minute order block, I'm in short. No matter what will happen, I will aim for 2R. Just will adjust my contract size accordingly. A bit annoying because I need to leave early today, and of course, they decided to consolidate when I need to leave. Ridiculous. What's the point to do this? Just asking. Consolidation, a bit boring, but it's okay. By the way, we still inside all 2-minute order block, that's it. Slightly traded above 10 AM open, pretty much consolidation so far. Just slightly higher, that's all we ask. Do short 2-minute order block once again, that's what I would like to wait for. NQ was kind of hard lately. Agree with you. So if you're not in before market open, like between 9:20 and 9:30, and you missed PM session, most likely you will be chopped for AM session. Unfortunately. But that's the reality of AM sessions recently. So on yes, same plan, like going somewhere right here and then like this. 1-minute order block. Yeah, I mean, that's fine to use. To use 1-minute order block, but preferably 2-minute. Yeah, especially guys, it's first week of new month, so sometimes it's a bit choppy. Sometimes. Michael said wait until 1 PM. Let's see, so I don't want to trade PM session, honestly, so don't want to sit in front of my screen all day, but I need to leave once again at 10:30, 10:40, 10:30, so I will come back by 12:30, so I will be in front of my screen after like 1 p.m. Maybe 1 p.m. will offer set up, but who knows, who knows, who knows. Okay, guys, let's try to be patient right now. We entered my zone. Is ICT? I guess he mentioned this in his Telegram or maybe Twitter, so I did not check his Twitter today. Well, so happy right now. What kind of order block should I use? We don't have any yet. Oh, come on. If it's going to close right now on the, let me delete this just for now. So since we have 0 signs of order block on NQ, just looking if may close below blue line just for now, it can be short signal, probably. If it's not going to close, which ideal for me because NQ may pump slightly higher to offer OB, we're all ICT. So if ICT going to visit us today, so because I need to leave in 15 minutes, we will ask him what kind of fair value gap should be used for first presented fair value gap. Because I don't know. Like, it's still tricky for me. Some people said like I need to use 9:30 AM candle, which I used initially, but in reality it was wrong. I need to use 9:31, so it's still kind of tricky. 9:31. So yeah, I changed this. So right here we have 9:31. Yes, 2-minute order block exactly. So if we get 2-minute order block from somewhere right here, I will short. Otherwise, it will be choppy. Annoying, but okay. He said this several times. Yeah, I mean, not going to argue about this. Yes. I don't really use 1-minute chart, but I do use this for first present fair value gap. And I would say that's pretty much it. Yeah. Almost never for inversion. Sometimes for continuation, order block, for example, for continuation, but that's it. Pretty much it. See these guys? They left New York midnight open in Q for a reason. You know what reason this is going to be? Because I need to leave at 10:45. Reason is to drop to New York midnight open at 10:46. That's obvious. I don't need to mention what time I need to leave in life. So yeah. Yeah, some people use fair value gaps in 1-minute chart. I'm not going to say it's bad to use this. My only concern why I would like to see continuation lower is New York midnight open. Normally, when ES tested New York midnight open and Q failed, we'll go there later to New York midnight open. At this point, we will take London low because ES also was so close to London low. Let's see. Let's see. So if it's going to create 2-minute order block, I will give it a chance. If not, then not. I'm going to delete this just for now because it's not entry, obviously. Somewhere from here. At least we have first sign of potential order block. So we got sequence, right? I'm sorry, guys. Oh, not in this trade. Nothing to trade yet. I mentioned what kind of setup I would like to see for short. It's not yet. It's not here yet, right? Yeah. So choppy right now. look at this weeks right here on 1 hour chart. What is this? I mean, are you serious? What time is this? Should be. You might be upset. Yeah. Not going to cry about this. Yeah, I will continue using 931. 1 minute fair value gap as first presented fair value gap. I mean, if it's going to be presented this time. Okay, guys, inside OT right now. Looks absolutely ugly, but guys, look at this 5-minute chart. Why I'm saying it looks ugly? What is this? Are you serious? Probably invalidation of short is going to be inversion right here on 5-minute chart. It's going to be invalidation of short. Since we don't have this inversion yet, still looking for a scenario that I mentioned before. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, once we get 5-minute inversion, I'm ready to say I was wrong with market maker sell model. Just we don't have it yet. Not ready to say this. So far we have second history. That's brilliant. Beautiful. But you know what I just noticed? Look at this 15-minute chart. Let me show you real quick. Just doesn't make sense to look at 1-minute chart. Look at this 15-minute chart and need to charge my mouse. And look at this monthly chart. Pretty much similar picture. So normally when we have these huge weeks with liquidity sweeps, normally it's sign of reversal. But I don't see any signs of reversal on lower time frame yet. Smart money reversals. That's 2-minute chart, right? Okay. Waiting for 5-minute invert if it wants to be long. Once again, we'll accept I was wrong with my market maker sell model. Just once again, it was kind of obvious to me. Why? Because it left important levels lower. Still crazy to see. It failed to take New York midnight open and London low. But at least, I was patient enough. And avoid stupid trade. Yes, right now inside first presented. That's right, guys. I don't trade on them accounts at all. Like if SIM funded is like paper money account, I don't know, like probably not. So yes, then yes, but I don't take any trades on paper money accounts. Of course, if I traded this, I could execute every setup that I saw, but not going to do this. Yeah, I'm not going to argue about this. If I was wrong, I was wrong. So at least I wasn't in this trade. So I was patient enough and I had plan. It's still, I would say it's still valid plan. As long as it's still inside 5-minute bearish fair value gap. And if it's going to offer 2-minute OB, I still would like to try short. Yes, we have SMT at lows, exactly. Just 20-minute chart. Or what kind of time frame is that? Oh, it's hourly. I don't need this. delete some level. It's so annoying, like lots of levels on my chart. Need to clean this a little bit. $50 left on this 5-minute candle. Let's see if it might be invalidation. Well. Yes, took 4 lows. It was enough to anticipate reversal. I mean, if it was enough for you, I'm happy you entered a trade. That's fine. $465. $469 is for our order block. So if they really want, you know what will be ridiculous? We got 5-minute inversion, by the way, first invalidation. You know what is going to be ridiculous? And it's going to be ridiculous if they're going to like pump to far order block and drop again. It will be so ugly picture. Ninja Trader and trading. Let me compare. So it's the same. It's the same. Since we got 5-minute inversion, so I'm about to invalidate my market maker sell model to New York. Just about to do this. Any signs of continuation higher? So we just got a test of 5-minute inversion. I just don't see where I need to enter just for now, since we got first invalidation that I was looking for. Maybe order block. Because yes, right now in deep premium, in Q dancing around equilibrium. That's why. Nothing I like. Going lower, going higher. I mean, like, we need to fade the chat and just trade against the chat. Who wants to long right now? Raise your hand. Just chat a bit. Long. You like long? You know, if it doesn't want to move, like for example to upside, it doesn't mean like we'll not go there. So it's still fine. But initially, not in hindsight, once again. In real time, it seemed like good to me where we are right now, maybe a little bit below, top of 5-minute fair value gap, to drop to New York midnight open. Initially, not in hindsight, it was obvious in my opinion. But since we got 5-minute inversion, it's already like, seems a bit more tricky than obvious. This fight not really like this. Oh, normally he visits us like at least 2-3 times a week. So if he going to visit us tomorrow, we will ask him about first presented, because it's sometimes it's tricky. because I'm not going to feel like from 4-hour bearish value gap, this move down is not really like enough, right? He will send you watch video probably. We will see, so at least we can try. Like, yeah, I will come back by PM session like 100%. But the question is if PM session is going to offer something. Slowly going to my icon. Seems like they fake out shorts, so just why? I don't know, like, but probably they left this for a reason, like fake out, they trace back up to our order block and short again. So why I was thinking it should go lower. So London low and New York midnight open seemed like obvious targets for me, especially when I saw ES already traded below New York midnight open, which is good for us, for example, to look for potential reversal, but NQ stayed above this level, which normally makes me feel like it should go lower again to test New York midnight open and look for the long below New York midnight open. So it's exactly the same way to use daily open. For example, we want to long below daily open, we want to short above daily open. Exactly same idea to use New York midnight open. Would like to long below New York midnight open. Yeah, especially hourly. Look at this fix right here. It's absolutely ugly, but once again, looked bearish initially, but look right now. We swept this. Looks bullish right now, right? With 0.5 minute change in the state of delivery, so we don't have any order blocks. And this straight move up, straight move down moves. So we would like to hold 50% of this order block right now because we got, once again, 20-minute liquidity sweep. If just for now, they're going to retrace again to the dominant order block, but will stay above 50%, it's bullish. Something like this, probably. First invalidation already offered, so 5-minute inversion. Oh, I need to go. Okay, 1 more minute, guys. I will talk about potential plan. I need to just go. As you can see, we got 30-minute sweep. We'll show you just real quick. So we got 30-minute sweep right here. So we anticipate to see this candle as continuation, right? So continuation was confirmed by 3-minute order block right here and small order block right here. So my plan is, if it's going to hold this 50%, it's going to be long. If it's going to break below 50% and close, it's short. That's it. See, alert, need to go. Alarm. You got my plan. Above 50%, I would like to long. Below 50%, it's bearish. So tomorrow is Tuesday, right? So guys, I'm working on a new video right now. Not right now, started working yesterday. It's going to be introduction to futures trading. Introduction to futures trading. So basically transition from Forex to futures. It's going to be new video. No like setups, no models, just going to be like introduction to futures trading. What is contracts? What is futures? How to transition from Forex to futures? I hope it's going to be helpful for someone. Well, that's it. We'll record this week. What is Forex? What is Forex? I know, like. Because I'm not going to be at home, I cannot manage my trade. Because it's going to be an Ninja trader. So it's sometimes tricky, right? With copiers, sometimes it's just kind of risky to leave this trade when I'm not home. So I'm going to record the video about how to transition from Forex to futures. How many kids do you have? I have 2. 2 kids. Two boys. 4 and 5. Well, guys. Yes, I'm not 16, so yes, I have kids. That's how it works. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow at the same time. This week is going to be week of giveaways, so we'll do some giveaways. I'm child-free, so no more kids. No more kids. It's Replikanto, so copy my trades on Ninja Trader. You can be adult kids, so that's amazing. So not sleepless nights, right? Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Need to go. Only one good, probably short was right here. That's it. So and second opportunity could be right here, but as you can see, still dancing. Nothing is going on, so it looks ugly. So I don't see any other opportunity to trade something. How to use copier? Actually, yes, I can do this, but after I will record the video about introduction to futures trading. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Need to go. Don't want to be late. Don't make stupid mistakes. I mentioned my plan. So if it's going to be play out, that's amazing. I will try to trade PM session. We'll come back by 1 PM. So if you did not watch my video that I posted, it was Friday about 2-minute model. Highly recommend to watch this to apply this for 1 PM today, if it's going to be present opportunity. So that's it. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.